What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. I'm Drax. This is my Genesis. This Genesis is fully straight piped. The Genesis behind you is not fully straight piped. It has a catback on it. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the difference between a straight pipe and a catback Genesis. This one is definitely way louder. It definitely sounds way better. But if you don't want that much noise, then you can go with the catback. It's still pretty loud, but it's not as like ridiculously loud as a straight pipe Genesis. So yeah, why don't we start with a cold start to show you guys. All right, so on this Genesis, it just has the stock primary cat, and then from there back, it just has a 3-inch back. All right, so that's what a startup on a catback sounds like. So if you follow me over here, this is what a straight pipe Genesis. Oh, I forgot to mention, both of these cars are the exact same engine. This one's a 2013 turbo, and then this one's a 2013 turbo too. As you can see, the idle on the straight pipe is way louder. Definitely preferable. And then on the catback Genesis, the idle isn't as loud, but it still has like that loud raspy sound. So I'll do like a little rev with this one first. So this doesn't have the two-step, but now if you come over to my car is a little bit louder, and it also does have the two-step tune on it, so it's going to be way louder. Definitely louder. So now we're going to go to the streets, and then I'll show you guys some flybys just so you can get like a drive-by perspective of how loud everything is. Alright, so we are now in the car that has the catback. We're just trying to see how much drone is inside the car with the windows down. I mean, as you can see, the drone isn't that bad. Let's see how much drone there is with the windows open, or with the windows closed, I mean. As you can tell, there's not that much drone at all. I'm sure in the straight piped car, there's gonna be way more drone because it's just a full straight pipe all the way from the turbo all the way back. I would definitely say this is pretty good for like daily driving. The straight piped is probably not good for daily driving unless you wanna constantly have a loud exhaust, which I do, because like, who doesn't always want a loud exhaust, you know what I mean? So now we are going to do a 0 to 60 in the car just so you guys can see like the drone from a complete stop with the windows up and no drone starting at all. So let's get into the 0 to 60. So the drone is not loud at all. 100% way better for daily driving. Straight piped, it gets a little annoying, and when you're talking to other people in the car, it definitely gets a little bit harder to talk to people because it's way harder to understand them because the exhaust is just unreasonably loud. So now we're gonna do a drive-by just so you guys can see how loud it is from the outside. You guys heard how loud it is from the inside, not too much drone at all. Now we're gonna go to the outside so you guys can hear that. as you can kind of tell, the drone in this is way, way worse. Alright, so now we are going to do a 0 to 60 so you guys can hear how loud it is. Definitely way more drone. So now, let's see the drone. It shouldn't be that crazy. Way louder. What are you doing?